Sacred Heart High School, Nalasopara West. Standard 4th, Subject English, Unit 1, Chapter number 8, A Great Leader. Hello students, before we start with the lesson, I would like to ask you one small question. Please give me the correct answer, because if you give me the correct answer, the lesson is based on that answer only. Okay. He was a great leader and he was born on 2nd of October. Any guess? Can you tell me who he was? Yes, he was Mahatma Gandhi. Correct. So in this lesson, we are going to study about Mahatma Gandhi. Full name of Mahatma Gandhi was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was born in Porbandar, Gujarat on 2nd October 1869. After passing his SSC exams, he went to England for further studies and came back to India in 1893. He started his career as a lawyer. He returned back to India and took part in freedom fight. Many a times he was sent to jail, but every time the countrymen were with him. He became famous as a father of nation. His style of living was very simple. He was follower of simple living, high thinking. He removed caste barrier in India. He was a reformer. He was killed by an Indian on his way to attend a prayer on 30th January 1948. He is remembered in the world for his major virtues. So students, come on, let us start with the lesson now. Mahatma Gandhi was one of the greatest freedom fighter. Mahatma Gandhi was a lawyer by profession. Mahatma Gandhi did not use any arms and weapons like guns and rifles and bombs. His policy was truth, that is Satya, and non-violence, that is Ahimsa. Here, arms means weapons or equipments used to kill and injure people. Through his philosophy of truth and non-violence, he paved the way for India's independence from British. Mahatma Gandhi's real name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, but people lovingly called him Bapu or Bapuji, the father of the nation. Gandhiji was a man of iron will, means if he decided to do something, he did it, no matter how difficult it was. Here, children, the meaning of iron will means strong determination. Once, Gandhiji decided to start with the early morning prayers every day, and from that day onwards, he never missed the prayer. Gandhiji always used to give importance to truth, that is Satya. Simplicity, he used to live a very simple life, and non-violence means he never used weapons in the war, he never hurt others. Children, Gandhiji used to wear very simple clothes, just a loin cloth, a dhoti worn about the knees, and sometimes a shawl. Could he not afford fancy fashionable clothes? Of course he could, but this simple loin cloth was a deliberate choice. Here the meaning of loin cloth is dhoti worn above the knees, and the meaning of deliberate is plan done on purpose. Once Gandhiji was on a lecture tour in Odisha. Usually men and women gathered in large number to listen to him. In Odisha, however, women were not seen at these public meetings or lectures. On making inquiries, Gandhiji found that the people in that part of the country were so poor that their women folk had not a decent thing to wear. Here, the meaning of the word decent thing to wear means appropriate clothes for the occasion. Therefore, they kept away from the public functions. When Gandhiji heard about the bad condition of the people of his country, he was deeply pained. Deeply pained here means very unhappy. And children, from that day, Gandhiji decided to wear the bare minimum of clothes. Here, the meaning of bare minimum of clothes means the least possible that is required, nothing more than that. Gandhiji also decided whether it is cold or hot, he would always wear his simple dress, that was a dhoti or sometimes a shawl. Once he had gone to England to attend a very important conference. Here, conference means a large formal meeting where people discuss important matters. When Mahatma Gandhi went to England for the conference, that time King George of England gave a reception to the participant of the conference at his palace. Children, here the meaning of participant means a person who takes part in a particular activity. People received by the king have to dress up in a certain way. People in England wanted to know if Gandhiji would change the style of his dress to see the king. But Gandhiji made it very clear that he would be dressed in his usual way, even when visiting the King of England. While going for the meeting, he decided that he would wear the dress of the people whom they represented. Gandhiji was not bothered by what style of dress the British approved of, so long as the poor people in his country did not have enough clothes to wear. Children, bothered here means worried. Finally, King George welcomed Mahatma Gandhi at his reception, and this great man was dressed in a simple loincloth and a shawl. The king himself was dressed quite extravagantly. Here, the meaning of extravagantly means in the way that cost a lot of money. Gandhiji was asked whether he had enough clothes on for meeting with the king. Gandhiji replied that the king had enough clothes on for both of them. When the poor people of India came to know that Mahatma Gandhi had dressed like them for the conference at England, they all felt very happy. Although Mahatma Gandhi did not use any destructive weapons, he had millions of staunch followers. Destructive means causing damage, and staunch followers means people who were firm and loyal in following someone. Gandhiji showed all the suppressed people in the world the new path of Satyagraha. He used Satyagraha in the Indian independence movement also. Here the meaning of suppressed people means people who have been prevented for developing and growing freely. His policy of truth and non-violence was a great hit. It not only inspired freedom movement in India but also across the world. Thank you children for watching this video.